Is that one of the more bewildering games of rugby you've ever been involved in terms of just, what happened?
I think it's just a hell of a willing Argentinian team, and this time of the Rugby Championship, injuries plays a big role, and squad depth plays a big role. And they went with 6-2 and they got a couple of injuries. We also got 3 or 4 injuries, and there's a few things that we did stupidly, just giving them tries. A yellow card and Cheslin's drop goal from within the dead ball area. So we are happy because we know this is a very good Argentinian team, and we had to sort out a lot of things at half time because the game, even I thought at minute 40, the game wasn't dead and buried, but some individual players, the team obviously, I thought both teams were up for it and wanted to play really well. But then I thought also some individual brilliance made massive difference in this game.